Guys, today in this video we are going to study a new topic. The name of the topic is measurement. In this video we will see measurement of length, mass, capacity and temperature. Okay guys, now see some numerical problem based on length. Okay, so example, okay, for length. Okay guys, see, a question is convert 2.5 kilometer into meter. Okay guys, question is asking you how many meters in 2.5 kilometer. So guys, you know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so solution here, we write 2.5 kilometer first, then we write here 2.5 first, then 1 kilometer. Okay, now put 1 kilometer value in meters, which is 1000 meter. So this one is equal to 2500. Okay guys, so 2.5 kilometer equal to 2500 meter. This one is a example number 2. Suppose somebody asked you add 2.57 kilometer and 100 centimeter. Okay, and he asked you to tell the answer in centimeter. Okay, means what is the value in centimeter. Okay guys, so solution, guys, one thing notice here, one unit is in kilometer and other unit is centimeter, and answer asking by a person is in centimeter. So how could you make a solution? So you always remember these things. When you make addition, multiplication and any things, then unit of all the things must be same. So first we will convert this one 2.57 kilometer into centimeter. Okay, so you guys know 2.57 into 1 kilometer. So we write again 2.57 into 1000 meter. Okay, so this is equal to 257,000. Okay, now here 2 decimal points are available, so this one is this. So this one is 2570. Okay, this is in meter. Okay, now this is here meter or this is one is in centimeter, so you have to again convert this meter into centimeter unit. Okay, so we write here 2570 meter equal to 2570 into 1 meter or 2570 into 100 centimeter or you guys write it as a 257000 centimeter. So now this kilometer is now converted into centimeter here. See, so now this one is a simple addition. Here you can write here 257000. Okay, now this one is in centimeter. Now 100 centimeter, so we can write here 100 centimeter. So final solution is 257100 centimeter. Okay guys, so this way you make the solution of this question. Okay guys, in scientific form, how could you write this one? You can write it as a 2.57. okay, this one 1 2 3 4 5, so 10 to power of 5 here. Guys, how could you write it in scientific way? Okay, so we can write here 2.571 multiply by 10 to power of 5, okay, centimeter. So you can check our answer is correct. How? So we can here write 25750. So how many decimal places? 3, so 0.3. okay, so see this one 2571 centimeter. Okay guys, now we will take examples on mass. Okay, example. Suppose somebody asked you convert 2.2 kg into gram. Okay, solution. (2.2 kg) equal to, we write here 2.2 into 1 kg. Okay, now you know 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So this one is 2200 gram. Okay, this one is a question 1. Now question number 2 is add 2.47 kg and 232 gram. Okay, solution must be in gram. Okay, question is asking you solution must be in gram. Okay, so solution of such type of question, you make a unit same. Okay, so this one is in kg, this one is in gram. Okay, so you can simply write it as a 247.1 kg, or you can write here 2.47 into 1000 gram. Okay, or this one is equal to 247,000. Okay, so here are 2 decimal places, put here 0, so 2470 gram. Okay guys, now this one is a simple now addition, 2470 gram Now 232 gram, make an addition sign here, put here gram, 022 0 731 carry, write here 1 for remember this one is 7, now 2. Okay, so our solution is 2702 gram. Okay, so these are example based on mass. Okay, now guys take example based on capacity. Now capacity example. Okay guys, our question: convert 3.3 milliliter into liter. Okay guys, so solution, this one we write 3.3 milliliter, so simply write here 3.3 into 1 milliliter. Okay, so you guys know 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter, so we can write here 3.3 divided by 1000. Okay, or you can here we can write 0.0033 liter. Okay, or in scientific form you can write 3.3 into 10 to power of minus 3 liter. Okay, how guys this division has been done here? You can see my earlier YouTube uploaded video based on decimal number. The link of that video is given in description box. Okay guys, take another question. Okay, our question is subtract 327 milliliter from 2 liter. Okay guys, now unit are different here. Okay, so solution, we can write it as a 2 liter equal to 2 into 1 liter. You know 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, so this is equal to 2000 ml. Okay, now subtract this one from this one, so 2000 milliliter or 327 milliliter. So solution is 3, 1 carry is given by this one, then 9 minus 2 7, this 9 minus 3 equal to 6, 1 is carry given by 2, then this is equal to 1. So final solution is this one. Okay guys, now take some example based on temperature. Okay, example based on temperature. Celsius scale. Okay, so temperature at which water converted into solid or freezes is 0 degree centigrade. Okay guys, water boils at 100 degree centigrade. Second one is Fahrenheit. Okay guys, this one. Okay, guys, at what temperature in Fahrenheit water converted into solid, or you can say ice, equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit, or this one is ice. And then when you talk about a boiling point, okay, so this one is a 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, now third one is a Kelvin. Okay, it is represented by K. Guys, now we see some more detail how to make a conversion of Celsius into Fahrenheit. Okay, so conversion, okay, of Celsius scale to Fahrenheit. Okay, so you remember this formula, 9C by 5 equal to 32. Okay, now guys, you see body temperature of a normal person is 37 degree centigrade. Okay guys, see, this one is a body temperature, okay, for a normal guy. Now what will be the value of this 37 degree centigrade in Fahrenheit? So simply you put the value 37, okay, into 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay, so when you make the multiplication, this one 3 3 3. Okay, okay, now this one is a 6, then 3, then 6, then 6. So this is equal to 38.6. okay, this is Fahrenheit. Okay, so this 37 degree centigrade equal to 98.6 Fahrenheit. Okay, conversion of Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. Okay, so what we will formula, F minus 32 multiply by 5 by 9. Okay guys, question. Okay, our body temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So body temperature, okay, what shall we value on Celsius scale? Okay guys, now see, we put 98.6 minus 32 into 5 by 9. So this is equal to 98632.0, difference 6 6, then 6. Okay, 66.6 into 5 by 9. So we can simply write it as a 666 divided by 9, then 763. Okay, subtract 3 6, then 4 3600. Okay, now 1, now this one equal to 1 or this one equal to 7.4. Now this is 37 degree centigrade. Now another question. Okay, question number 2 here. Temperature on Monday is 112 degree Fahrenheit and temperature on Tuesday is 47 degree centigrade. So which day is more hotter? Okay, solution. Guys, you know how to convert Celsius into degree centigrade. Okay, so formula is F minus 32 into 5 by 9. Okay, here 112 is given, so write Fahrenheit value 32 minus into 5 by 9. Okay guys, so this is equal to 80 into 5 by 9, so this is simply 400 by 9, so this is equal to 4, then 4, then this value is 44.4 degree centigrade. Okay guys, see this 44.4 degree centigrade is less than this one. Okay, so which day is more hotter? So our answer is Tuesday. Okay, because Tuesday temperature is 47 degree or in Monday temperature is 44.4 degree centigrade. Okay guys, now see Kelvin example. Okay, see, so how to convert Celsius scale to Kelvin scale. Okay, conversion of Celsius scale to Kelvin. So formula is C plus 100. Okay, so in case of water, okay, guys, C plus 273 K. Okay, so in Kelvin scale, freezing point of water equal to 0 plus 273, so 273 K. Okay, or you can say Kelvin scale boiling point of water equal to 100 plus 273, this is equal to 373 K. Okay, hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family.